Good morning. Nag-mic ako kasi maingay. Minsan yung tangke ng tubig namin maingay. So, kagigising lang namin guys. Magkakape muna kami. At, ang ingay ng amang ko. Maingay pa yata sa boses ko. Di na bumalik boses ko. 3 araw na akong minamala. So, 3 araw lang kami dito guys. 3 days na kami. Sa loob ng 3 days, dami na namin nagawa. Alis ng alis. Sobrang busy. So, nagluluto na sila doon. Nanay ko, ate ko, tsaka amang ko. Sarap lang ng yung mga nagluluto sa'yo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung aming, tinapay na nabili sa Ito yung nabili namin sa SNR. Gusto daw matry ni Adrian. Yan. Yan o. Tsaka ito. Yan. Tapos may nabili siyang baget. Pero gusto niya i-try ito sa almusal nga naman. Breakfast. Pero ako kakain yan. Parang itong dessert ko Tapos kakain ako ng ng kanin. What is it? So busy si Adrian guys. Naglilinis ng kwarto. Hindi pa kami masyadong kalat-kalat pa yung gamit namin kasi nga umaalis kami. Maybe nga pag mga kulang may binibili kami. Kahapon lang pagod kami nang bumili kami ng mga appliances. Nakakapagod. Daming kalat. Kagabi-gabi na ako natulog kasi naglinis pa ako ng inalis ko yung mga ni nanay, mga luma na yung gamit doon sa kusina. Pinakialaman ko. Tapos pinaglalagay ko sa Ngayon malinis na. Malinis naman dati, kaya lang daming mga abubot. Aming hindi na kailangan, nakalagay pa. Matanda pa sa akin Amang! Eto tinapay, Mang. Nay, may tinapay dito, $2.99 pala to. Eto may tinapay, Ayan, tinapay, gusto mo ba tinapay? Ha?
Isang tiraso na.
Oo, teka.
Tipit mo ako lang yan.
Ensaymada. Masarap ito, malambot. Eto pa, Mang. Etong ube. Kakain kasi ng kanin. Kakain ng kanin. Kakain si Ma. Ako din kakain ng kanin. Wow, sarap. Ube. Nay, eti tinapay, Nayo. Ano tawag dito? Ensaymada. Ito nabili namin nung dumating kami. Yummy. Sarap. Pero kakain ako ng kanin, guys. Laguluto sila doon ng ulam. Alam mo, kagangina, magang-maga may nagdaan dito ng first na ulam. Yung mga, yung mga, tawag dito, yung mga isda. Alamang, tapos, bangus, tahong, mga fresh. Kaya, pinabili ko si nanay. Harap, Nay. Gusto mo ko, bigyan kita, Ayaw mo ba? Maglalaga ka niyan ng tubig. Harap. Harap? Parang gusto kong dessert ito mamaya pagkakain ko ng kanin. Anong oras na ba? 8:20. Dito maaga silang magising, maaga silang kumain. Kahit na nung dalaga pa ako, wala pa akong anak. Dalaga pa ako, kahit pa bata pa ako. Maagang kumain sila. Maagang kumain. Nakatira lang dito nanay ko, tsaka tatay ko. Tsaka nakatira dito nanay ko, tatay ko, tsaka kapatid kong bunso. Kaya lang marami dito. Lagi kasi andito kami. Pero pag wala kami dito, tahimik sila. Tsaka magkakatabi lang kasi bahay namin magkakapatid.
I think this is going to be too sweet for me in the morning, babe. This covered in sugar, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That one needs to be in like a dessert. I will have it after, after. What you ask this, you know? What do you want? Do you want your bagel?
Well, it's obvious what I want. Oh, are there?
Yan, bacon. Tapos, ito niluto ng ate ko. Yan niluto ate ko. Tapos ito bigay ng ate ko. Yan, yung isang ate ko. Tapos, yan din. Yung ate ko din na yung nagluto kami. Kain na kami, guys.
Nagluluto na naman siya.
Oo, may niluluto na naman si Tita Abel mo. Ito bigay ni Tita Det, be. Kumuha lang lolo ng kanin.
Ah, ito bigay?
Oo. Hindi, ito. Ito, masarap yan.
Sige, try ko.
Kakain lang kami, guys.
Hindi ko maano itong Ito natin Tita Dat mo. Parang wala tayong kanin.
Ay, lolo, ito lang, guys.
Wala.
So, all of those ay Tita Det, ano ko yung sauce.
Tita
Then,
Dat.
and the one for David. It's not my holiday.
Tita Abel ito.
Did we get this?
How to do this one? Ganito ba yun?
Thank you.
Paano ba?
Kumain na sila.
Ay, ganito pa. Ay, ganito pa na.
Oo, yun. Experience na.
Ganito ba, ma'am? Eh, paano to?
Ay, pipiliin mo. Sasawsaw sa kanya.
Ayun, legs niya. Very
Ay,
mga.
magandang eat the extra. Sabi ko naman na.
Ang healthy ko at lang. Ang healthy ko.
Daming niluto ni Tita Abel. Meron pang ano. Oo, Tita Abel Poksume.
I like this one more. This one too much.
Tita Det yan. Sarap na naman. Tina ako ngayon. Kasi isang panalito mo. Dami bigay sa'yo ng mga pinsan mo. Binigyan ko yung mga pinsan niya baon. Tapos, binigyan din ng regalo kay Riona. Binigyan ko sila ng baon sa school. Tapos binili ka naman nila ng gift. So nice naman nila.
Pamisa-misa na kasi sila.
Ito na, miss.
Oo, tanong.
Oo. Sige. Ikaw muna kasunod kasi ano.
sige.
Magpapaano pa ako. Mag-ano pa ako
Chow
mag-uwa.
kasi mama, nag-chow na naman. Yung shirt mo, ma-chow.
Siya, oo. Pagkatapos mo si ate din muna. Hindi ko gupitan pa yun.
SM North, ma'am.
Ha?
SM North.
O ano gagawin namin sa SM North?
Ewan ko, shopping.
Pagod na pagod ako na. Alis na naman kami ni daddy.
Ayaw nga, bakit tayo umalis sa Rowis?
Ay, Nay! Sa'yo pala to. O, bigay ko sa'yo.
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight. Show me that you love me too. Mercy, someone
So guys, namimili na naman kami para sa bahay. Kasi, oh, I want that one, babe. Hindi na ako nakapag-video. Ang hina, umuulan. Hindi ko nadala yung camera ko. Oh, tapos ito, bumili ako. Ang ganda-ganda, oh. Mura pa. Ha? Tapos yung pamangking ko, pinag-drive kami. Eh, kapatid ko si Istong. Ano yan, be? Ay, ano ko nalaglag? Pakipulot mo nga. Akin yan. That one is ready. Ah, there is a, what is it? Box in it for that. I think that's the one. That's the one, yeah, the box.
What do you mean?
You mean this one in my hand?
That for storage rock.
That's a different one, babe.
Okay, I thought, oh yeah, maybe.
Yeah, that one's really cheap. This one's sturdy.
Maybe this one, that one I'm talking. Okay, let's do that. Hindi na ako nakapag-video. It's alright for you if I get this beautiful, babe. Beautiful. Ang alin ba?
Double-sided.
Okay, yun pala. Yes.
Ano na lang, gigupitin mo na lang ng malit na
So I already found some.
Get that one also, which is, ano.
Yeah, just pick the best one. Because I
Ayan.
got this here, look, grip tape.
Nakakuha na rin pala siya.
So what do you want? Get to that.
I don't know, what do they think? I think maybe the grip tape. Yeah?
Okay, that one is the most one.
Because it says strong. Super
Okay.
strong.
Again.
Like this one.
Like strong, super strong. Ang dami na namin na pamili. Di na ako nakapag-video-video
We just
ang
need a
ina.
duster then, yeah?
Oo, duster. Yung panglinis, ano te, yung yung duster.
To clean seat.
Yung panlinis na ganun, yung parang may balahibo.
Christmas for Uncle Bender.
To clean. Pinaano ko nga yung pinakabit ko nga kay Uncle, sa Tata Bendo ko yung yun na ano namin dun eh. Tagagawa ng mga may sira-sira o kulang. So guys, namimili kami ng mga kasi tawag dito, si nanay nga lang at si amang doon. Yan yung kayong kapatid kong buso nakatira. So yung mga kulang-kulang kami na yung tawag dito, yung mga may sira, pinagagawa sa uncle.
Parang wala.
Ko meron dyan. Baka may nakita akong May nakita akong nakalimutan kong dalhin yung camera, guys. Ito pala, te. Ay, nakatiklop. Yung pinakamalaki kunin mo. Yan. 75. Bakit ba yung 158? Ano ba? Come here, babe. Sorry. We found it, but I don't know which the right one.
Just the longest one.
Yeah, that's the
That one looks good.
Yan. Yan ang pinaka-ano yata.
Or we can get a multicolored one.
Yan.
Which one do you think?
The longest one.
Which one do you think Lola Dot would like the most?
Baby colored. Lolo do.
This one looks good to me.
Yeah, that one is white. Okay. And it seems like long. Okay. Enough now.
Okay, are we done now?
We're done now.
Okay, let's go.
Kahapon lumabas din kami. Oo nga, salamat. Pinag-drive pa tayo. Tawag dito. Kahapon din lumabas kami, hindi ko na lang na-video, guys. Kasi hindi ako masyado makapagsalita. At may sakit ang lalamunan ko. Hindi pa rin bumabalik boses ko. This is beautiful, love. Hi! Oo. Maglilinis na naman siya ng CR. Pinapuputi yung... We need the products for whitening for the stain. We need to get those.
That was what the steel wall was for.
Where is the sealant earlier that she showed to you?
Here.
Crack sealant.
Oh, that's but you need a gun with that as well.
Yeah, it's in here.
Yeah, I know, but is that really what you wanted?
I think that's the one. I think it's all crack sealant. Ito is for the window.
Thank you.
That's the right one. Thank you. Salamat.
Get one of these.
Yes.
Good.
And do we need anything for that? Painting ko. Oh. Good job, Daddy. Ito yung binili namin kahapon ata ng isang araw. Parang ganyan. Pero iba yung tatak niya. So, yan guys. Babayad lang kami. At mamaya mag-haul ako pagdating sa bahay. Oh, babe. Thank you, babe. We go yesterday. We did not... we go out yesterday, but I did not film.
We went together yesterday. You were in Malolo, so I went to Robinson.
You went to Robinson with my nephew. Oo, tapos nagpunta naman ako sa Malolo sa bayan. Bumili lang ako ng mga pantulog. Hindi ko na nga na-video. Napapagod na kasi ako. Baka makapiright ako may kanta. Tapos ito, bumili kami nito. So, about few hangers, babe. Andito kami, guys, sa Mr. DIY. 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 Yan si Adrian, nagbabayad. Sa room namin, ang dami pa rin mga magulgulo. Hindi ko pa naayos masyado. Kapag pakita ko sa inyo, guys.
Some bread.
You want bread? You buy it later.
Let's have a quick look. Oh, we're going to just sit down first. So what, is this the only option? KFC or pizza?
They have upstairs, but they don't much. KFC again. Pizza. Oh yeah, that's very nice, babe. Yummy, yummy. That one, get one.
Ube ensalada.
This is, you like pan de coco, it's coconut inside.
Okay.
You like this one?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay, let's get that one. Amang like that also. What do you like?
Yeah, this the Penang Zinger
Finger combo.
Zinger taro.
Okay.
Oh.
Yummy.
They have corn. Oh, they don't have it on the cob.
Yeah.
Oh, macaroni salad.
We are posh here.
What is this?
Famous bowl.
Let's just try it. 70 pesos lang. Oh, it's famous bowl. It doesn't even say what it is.
They have here in famous bowl.
Yeah, it's right. I've got it. So you wanted to change yours?
Yeah.
You wanted a customised which? 2-piece chicken?
Yeah. Customized.
And then what do you want?
Drinks.
What do you like?
Coke Zero. I need to ask them. They want iced tea. Where are they?
You go and ask him, babe. I'll
Okay,
just stand
wait.
here pretending I'm ordering.
Everywhere we go, it has everywhere we go, there's music. I'm so
It's
I
loud.
hope we'll not get copyrighted. All right, yum yum yum. Let me try that one also. Yummy.
Not a lot.
Coconut. That is pan de coconut. 120. 10 pieces.
Wow.
In UK, 5 pieces is 5 pounds. Yan. Ay, seen this pala yan. Ayan, masarap guys. Yummy. Adrian like it. Can you try it? Yan na. That's it.
So, we didn't get everything that we wanted, but we have
What is missing?
quite a lot. Quite a lot is still missing.
So nagulat si Adrian yung KFC dito ay may spaghetti. Our KFC here has spaghetti.
So, we still need... Oh, I was going to check that store over there before it closes. This is open till 9, isn't it? Just want to check the hardware store, because I still need the fine steel wall, the strong magnets for the kitchen door.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe they won't have those. Cockroach traps,
Cockroach trap.
floor lamp and table lamp. But maybe that's not here.
Yeah.
And then decorator's filler. You know,
Where is that?
for the wall,
It's the one that we got.
for the cracks, for the lines.
How for the lines. Good.
You didn't realise that, did you?
I know, but where are we going to use that? I thought you will use that for the wall that it has already had a...
Not for the screw holes. So the stuff that you bought is for like the lines like this.
for the
But
sliding
when there's a
window.
hole in the wall, you need a filler.
Oh, that's the one we need.
But again, we can get some of that later.
And then the cockroach trap. Why we need to get cockroach trap?
Because you're scared of cockroaches.
Takot ako sa apis kahit nung pamepobia ako doon talaga. Only in the kitchen, they see small one. The other night, remember that there's...
Everyone here is scared of them except for me.
Yeah, it's in my family. Istong very scared. My uncle, not Bendo, but the other one, very, very scared. I think we got it from them. We got phobia. So yeah guys, meron pa kami bibilin dyan mamaya sa nakalista dito sa aming mga notes ang aming bibilin. It's 8 now. Yeah, I think Gerald's calling. I'm calling Gerald.
Why, where's Gerard?
Yeah, he does.
I mean, where's what's he doing?
I don't know. I mean, May calling him.
Oh, May, not
May. He will help maybe with the baby. So, yes. Kakain kami. Papakita ko sa inyo yung ano. So, I'm saying earlier that the KFC here have rice. We have rice. In the UK, no rice. They have coffee here also.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. We need sweetness. They won't remember the sweetness. So let me go.
They will not know. Just sugar for the coffee. I think they will put already.
Don't think so.
Okay. Kakain na naman kami. Kare-kare. Tapos ito naman kay Adrian.
I've got food envy now. I should have got the curry.
I can share it with you. Thank you. Yummy. Kain tayo. Gutom na kami. Let's eat. Ayan, interesado si Adrian sa ano, what is it called? Fries?
Sisig fries.
Sisig fries. Ang bango. Smell really nice. Wala sa UK niyan. Sisig fries. What can you say?
Different.
Different sisig fries.
Nice. They seem to have put like a gravy on it.
Ah, they put gravy?
It seems like it from the sisig.
Kain pa. Kain. Masarap naman. Okay naman siya, masarap.
Fresh chilies as well.
Ang bango. Chili and onion, masarap nun.
You got someone new, I know it. Yeah, but I will keep on denying. Yeah. Gotta keep my emotions from running wild. Need someone to hold my